Okay then, so I'm recording this fixed focus low light selected manually in the Pivothead Desktop software, just because, you know, I'm filming under a house light. It's a 30 watt energy saver, which is equivalent to about 130 watts, which for video is still actually quite dim. But anyway, normally I use these fellas to record. I'll cut that out. But today I'm going to show you how to change the lenses on these fellas, the kudo, recon, moab, whatever they decide to call them. The window's open, you can probably hear all that. Humans. Anyway, so I've bought myself some new lenses. I'm quite taken by the kind of metallic-y colours that you can get. So I've gone for it's the summer, the windows are open. So if I'm right, I think humans. So anyway, I think the lenses actually come out of these a lot easier, if I remember rightly. Not that the Durangos are particularly difficult either. Just got to remember where to pull them out from. So that's the lens, those lenses removed. A nice fingerprint there. That'll wipe off. I think these are allophobic as well. I think the key is to get that first corner in there. So that's that, and again, fixed focus. Oh, also 720p 60 fps. I'm just waiting for the day when YouTube supports that and tells me that all the 720p 60 fps videos I've uploaded will be available in 60 fps without me having to re-upload every single one.